Hi, good evening to everyone. There are that more expensive and the high-end Italian luxury brands. So one of the best brand and which is a very prestigious brand called the Giorgio Armani. So let me just talk about the short brief about that brand. So Mr. Giorgio Armani, who was born on 11th of July 1934 in Italy. So this brand was an iconic fashion designer and best known in America for his popular men's suits collection. Mr. Armani, who has expanded his empire to that including restaurants, cafes, clubs, and the hotels in the year of 1980s when his first menswear suits launched, and it was appeared frequently on the television series called Miami Vice. And in the same year, that famous Hollywood actor called Richard Gere or that Armani suits in the film called American Gigolo, and it after that it was so popular and very much of successful symbol of many business professionals. After completing his military service, Armani started working in a famous Milan departmental store, and the side by side he used to that design that freelance work for other companies as well. In the year of 1975, the company launched that first Giorgio Armani, and which was including that high-end premium men's clothing line, including that women's ready-to-wear collections as well, and which actually received a warm reception. And his clothes were revolutionary at the time and introducing introducing a more natural fit and using a subtle color palette. In the year of 1980s, wearing Armani became so successful and so symbolic presentation of many business professionals. And in the same year, Armani opening up the stores in Milan as well. And by the end of 1990s, Armani had over 200 stores worldwide, and the annual sales it was roughly calculated by $2 million. And the next target was hotels. So hotels have become the next ventures of Mr. Armani, and in the year of 2010 he opened up his first store in Dubai. Let me just talk about the brand logo. The basically the Giorgio Armani logo is a simply designed and eagle looking to the right, meaning that correct direction. So the use of an eagle is a symbol of quality, and apart from that it also like a symbol of supremacy of the Armani brand. The label is Armani's signature high-end brand, which is specialized in ready-to-wear men's collection, including that women's clothing. And this label also includes another subline called EA7, and has encapsulated with Armani jeans and Armani exchange as well. But nowadays, Armani jeans is shut down from the world. So the range of Giorgio Armani ready-to-wear men's suits collections starting from like 2.25 lakh till on and on. And even that that Giorgio Armani's formal shirts starting from like 55 to 65,000, and they have their limited collections as well. Apart from that, Giorgio Armani also put his steps into fragrances, sunglasses, and that watches as well. Thank you so much.